Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Question is to Crystal, Anushka, and Aditya. What is it that a web series lets you do that a film or a television show doesn't let you do?
I guess at least for me, when the films that I've done, there was not that kind of. It was not. You don't have that kind of leniency when you wanted to perform or certain things, language, etc. So I feel in just with the whole OTT platform, you get a space where you can show more and actually get into the depth. You know, यहाँ पे सेंसर्स चलते हैं फिल्मों में, तो वो थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कभी कभी कुछ स्टोरीज कहने में कि आप ऐसा नहीं दिखा सकते, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. तो आई थिंक इन द वेब प्लेटफॉर्म दैट्स अ boon that you can say your story without being restricted to these little issues that अच्छा ये सीन काटो, ऐसा मत बोलो, वैसा मत बोलो, then the whole certificate issues. So I personally think it's a beautiful platform and it's giving so many people chances to tell you stories that they otherwise couldn't, and maybe you'd feel कि यार ये conventionally इतनी अच्छी नहीं है फिल्म बनाने के लिए, या फिर कौन देखने आएगा इसको, तो उसमें आधी स्टोरीज ना गुम हो जाती हैं. एंड देयर आर ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरीज व्हिच मे नॉट हैव कमर्शियल वैल्यू बट इट्स वर्थ लिसनिंग, वाचिंग, नोइंग, एंड आई फील दैट्स व्हाट द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस प्लेटफॉर्म इज दैट वी कैन नाउ डू दैट.
क्रिस्टल, जब आपने इंस्टा पे यहाँ स्ट्रेट हाय, जब आपने इंस्टा पे ये अनाउंस किया था डिजिटल डेब्यू कर रहे हो आपने एकता को थैंक यू बोला था और ये कहा था कि इतना भरोसा मुझ में दिखाने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. आपको नहीं लग रहा था you'll be able to carry this kind of character? Same question to एकता, आपको क्या लगा कि क्रिस्टल will be able to play this character?
I did thank Ekta for digital platform, but I thank her for everything in my life, basically, because I started my career because of ma'am, and I don't think I can. But I started my career because of her, and she believed in me then, and again that same belief to enter a new platform. So I'm always thankful to her. And I did believe in myself, but this character is very different from me as a person and from everything that I've played. So I was really thankful that she could believe that I would do something very different. I know I could, but I didn't have a way to portray it, and I didn't have somebody that believed in me before her. So that's why a big thank you to her.
First of all, I'm going to kill you, Crystal, for calling me ma'am. You are my baby and you'll always be. But I have to say it. Yeah, mom is cool. So I have to say one thing. When I actually we were working on this character. We wanted to do oddball casting. Oddball casting means it's a girl who has a lot of. It takes guts to say I want to marry money and say it so unabashedly and in a absolutely raw, unabashed fashion to go out there and say that hello, I'm a gold digger. I'm a very proud gold digger, man. I really want to marry a guy who has good money and I can't afford marriage with love and all that stuff. So, and Crystal is just the opposite. I mean, Crystal ko without love, I don't think Crystal is all about love. You know, she's as pure as her name. So I'm like, this is a character that is not impure, or no one is impure, but she actually adopts her flaws and lives them out so unabashedly that it was a very different character from her real life character. But there's our very own Sandy, who is one of the best directors I think I've worked with. He's done Broken with me. And there's Tanveer, who's the most swag, the producer with all the swag.
आज दिखा नहीं है लेकिन है मतलब it's
But
there.
and then so I knew this is the current Crystal, and this is a Crystal who wants to actually break what people know her for. I mean, she's known to be a very sweet, pretty, and not a radical person at all. And I think she's done a fabulous job. I'm so happy that she's made her debut on the digital platform with me, because I really am. I'm so happy to show what she has done in this show to the world. You know, she's fantastic.
एकता जी आपको कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि इतने स्टार कास्ट आर्टिस्ट ने कभी आपसे शिकायत किया हो कि इतने सज धज के हम लोग आते हैं और आप पूरे लाइमलाइट लेके चले जाते हो?
That's true. That's true.
It's not the clothes, it's the personality. by
I
the
have
way.
to आपने आज मेरा डे बना दिया. Usually I'm told the other way कि आप इतना सज के आते हो और ये लोग ले जाते हैं center stage. But thank you. I have to just say one thing about these two, and since I've got a chance, I'll say that Anushka was when I saw her as a child, I had given her mum $100 and said कि आंटी मैं इसको एक दिन कहीं ना कहीं तो लॉन्च करूँगी प्लीज. उस वक्त आंटी बोला था बिकॉज उस वक्त भी मैं वाज अ यंग प्रोड्यूसर, यू नो, जस्ट सेइंग. But when I saw her, I had said it, and finally digital debut with me.
Happiest.
As far as Aditya goes, I have this group of girls in office. And they all are here, and they never come with me for any press conference. They all are here because they all are like, they want an introduction with him. You're quite a dish, my friend.
I am blushing now.
But thank you.
Hi Ekta, this is me Nandini Roy from FIFA Foods News. I want to ask, you have made yourself your own hero. Has there been any time in your life that you wanted to buy something, or you were feeling deprived of something, and that very day you went in your room and you promised yourself that no, Ekta, you have to do something. And today we are all here and we cheer you up for that. So tell me that experience.
All of us have had that moment where we wanted to buy something. We've all been conditioned, and this is actually a story of conditioning versus individuality. We all have been conditioned to believe that कोई राजकुमार आएगा और आपकी लाइफ को सुधार कर जाएगा. आज तक मुझे लोग पूछते हैं आप सेटल कब होंगी. मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है मेरे काम करने के बाद और कितना सेटल हो जाऊँ मैं, यू नो. सो आई थिंक इट्स ऑलवेज कंसिडर्ड दैट women will find someone to then sort themselves out. In my own personal life, there have been many instances where I was told that, you know, all this career and all is okay, but you will have to eventually get married to find personal happiness. And I think I'm pretty happy myself, because happiness cannot be decided by you. It has to be decided by me. And if I have to get something for myself, I have to be responsible, no third person. I can't give my remote to anyone else. So if I have to buy myself shoes, or I have to buy myself clothes, I want to make a show, I have to be responsible. And it's time we tell our girls that. So I learned that in my life. And there's a line which is there in the show, which is that don't buy, somebody will not buy you gold, the gold is in you. एक दिन आपके अंदर इतना सोना होगा कि आपका रंग दूसरों पे चढ़ जाएगा.
Beautiful answer.
Hi Crystal, फैजान दिस साइड फ्रॉम न्यूज़ हेल्पलाइन.
Yes.
क्रिस्टल, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, काफ़ी इमोशनल कैरेक्टर देखने को मिल रहे हैं हमें, जिस तरीके से हमने ट्रेलर में देखा है कि एक लड़की जो है मतलब वो गरीब है, फिर वो पैसे के लिए फिर मतलब सबसे मिलती है. तो कितना इमोशनल ये आपके लिए था पर्सनली, एंड आप कितना इससे जुड़ गई थी इस कैरेक्टर से, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस पर आप?
The character is of a gold digger, and बहुत स्ट्रगल होती है इंसान की लाइफ में जब उनको पता है कि उनको रिच होना और कैसे भी होना है. सो यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ चॉइसेस इन लाइफ कि how far can you go for getting rich? Can you give up your love? Can you give up your family? Can you give up your friends? तो मुझे ये it's a full struggle of a girl who is at a point with her best friend, and will she give up her best friend for money? So it's my journey from a gold digger to a gold digger, and I honestly feel that बहुत इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर है, बट इट्स अ फन इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर. तो बहुत सारा फ्रेंडशिप दिखेगा आपको, बहुत सारा प्यार दिखेगा आपको, बहुत सारा टकरार दिखेगा आपको. सो आई थिंक यू नो इट्स अ फुल पैकेज ऑफ इमोशंस, फन एंड एक्साइटमेंट.
हाय एकता, हाय. फितरत के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई. काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त यूनिक ट्रेलर नज़र आ रहा है. अगर टाइटल की बात करें, सब टाइटल में एक लाइन है, आई एम ऑन हीरो. आपकी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा हीरो कौन है आपकी लाइफ?
मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा हीरो मेरी माँ है, और उसके बाद मेरे पिताजी. बट या दैट्स माई लाइफ. आई ऑल्सो वांट टू ऐड समथिंग हियर कि फितरत एक बहुत बड़ा वर्ड होता है ना. इट्स बेसिकली आपका नेचर. बहुत कम लोग अपने आप को गोल्ड डिगर बुलाने में शर्म नहीं मानते. ये लोग एक्चुअली सच्चे होते हैं. ऐसे बहुत कमीने लोग होते हैं दुनिया में जो दिखाते कि बहुत अच्छे हैं और होते अच्छे नहीं हैं. तो दैट इज़ वन वेरी विच आई थिंक इज़ द यूनिकनेस ऑफ दिस कैरेक्टर. शी सेज कि मेरी फितरत लोग जानते हैं, एंड आई हैव नो शेम इन इट. आई एम एवरीथिंग बट आई एम अ लायर.
That's the last
बॉस, लाइफ में एक चीज़ मैंने सीखी है. मैंने 100 करोड़ की फिल्म बनाई है जिसने 20 करोड़ का बिजनेस किया है, और रिसेंटली 20 करोड़ की फिल्म बनाई है जिसने मोर देन 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस किया है. सो ये जो 3 है ना, इन्होंने इतनी मेहनत की है, बाकी सपोर्टिंग कास्ट ने इतनी मेहनत की है. इस प्रोड्यूसर ने आई मीन आई कैन अफोर्ड व्हाट बिग इंटरनेशनल एप्स कैन अफोर्ड. एट द लोएस्ट कॉस्ट पॉसिबल, द बेस्ट पॉसिबल ग्लैमर दिया है, और वो डायरेक्टर ने इतने कम शिफ्ट्स में इतना अच्छा काम किया है. सो हम अपने प्लेटफॉर्म में आपको मूवी एक्सपीरियंस देंगे एट द बजट ऑफ अ डिजिटल शो.
Hello. I think that sums up. Thank you so much.